Today I'm installing a new RoadRunner seat for the RS5. Here we go. Okay, let's get into it. Here's everything you receive with the RS5 seat kit. The seat post, the deck clamp, and all the hardware that you need. As for tools you need, you'll need a 5mm, a 4mm, and a 2mm Allen hex set. Alright, let's get started. To be started off, we'll take our cap head bolt and our 5mm hex wrench, and we'll be mounting our seat post brackets to the bottom of the deck bracket. Now there are two positions you can be mounting your seat post brackets. So you can place the seat post bracket either towards the front, which will put you in the center of the deck, or you can put it towards the rear, to the rear of the deck. Today I'm going to be installing it to the rear of the deck. There are two cap head bolts that get installed on the bottom of the deck bracket to the seat post bracket. Next, take your 4mm and your countersunk bolts, and you can install those on the side of the seat post bracket. After your seat post is mounted, you'll want to install your quick release seat post clamp next. Using your 2mm hex tool, you'll need to tighten the set screw on the clamp. A great feature worth showing is the seat quick release. Once your seat is ready to install on your RS5, take the two brackets and wrap it around the back of the deck. You'll want to install this right before the rear turn signals. Next, you'll want to take the clamping mechanism and push it through the seat post deck. Hand tighten all three bolts, and then clamp it tight. Finally, adjust the seat post to your desired height, and you're ready to go. There you have it. The seat finally installed, looks great, can't wait to get it on the road. Thanks for watching.